Gerald Ford aircraft carrier.
Right? Regeneration.
It's a floating barge.
Alin? Ay, ang puti?
Yeah. Hey, which one is it?
That's your old ship, USS Gerald Ford.
Ang laki din pala ng destroyer, ano? Alin na sasakyan mo ngayon dyan?
Yung same platform.
Ay, yung katabi ng Gerald Ford?
Yeah.
It's a long walk.
Oo.
Too much. To go all the way back there. Up some stairs.
Kailan ang commission niyan?
Huh?
Kailan ang...
Ito, commission na yan. Active ship yan.
active na? Kailan kayo magbabiyahe? Then,
Which one are these ones?
Almost 2 years. Destroyer.
These are the ones that shoot down the missiles in the Middle East.
Yeah.
which one?
This one.
Oh, the destroyer?
Number 17.
17?
I think that's the LPD.
Ano na yan eh? Advanced ano na yan, ano?
Can I go all the way down that way? I don't think so.
You can, but they're blocking it, right? You can go around. Like
There's
this.
a U.S. Navy in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
May time, sometimes bumibisita sila doon.
No, like they're
Station there now.
oh
Oh, doon sa ano? Sa Subic. Sa Subic.
no, the one in Palawan.
Oo, meron din. No?
One in Palawan.
Kaya yung isa ano naman yan? Destroyer din?
Yeah, LPD, or LH.
Anong LPD?
Destroyer.
Oo.
Small boy. This is supply
So
ship.
you said go around them?
Yeah.
They had to back it up so he could get in. It's fine, baby.
No, the ESB. It's a supply ship.
Is that the one that brings you guys stuff?
Yeah.
And then what packages too?
Yep. That's the one that brings all the produce, like
Hindi
anything.
pwede mo basta-basta mag-destroy yan. Ah.
Oo, pag pinasabog mo yan, the missile. Kaya lang may mga ano na yan eh, may mga anti-missile na yan eh. Yan, destroyer din yan.
Hey, I've seen that BMW.
Yan, 29.
Mm-hmm.
Destroyer din.
Yeah.
Is that a bat?
Hmm?
Oh no, it's a thing.
It's not a supply ship.
Yan, yung 12.
Yeah, supply ship.
Supply ship.
Yeah.
Nasa, ano lang yan, background lang yan, ano.
Mm-hmm.
Pag sa laban, nasa likod lang siya.
Yeah.
We're gonna go around a little bit.
Ang dami pala niyan, ano.